This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and after much waiting for the post and everything else, it's turned up. Issue 5 and issue 6 of Knight Rider Kitt, building the kit is here and ready for me to commence building. I've got lots to build after this, so I'm going to get straight in. As ever, we'll have a look through the magazine and then get to the actual building part of things. Start up when Universal Television contacted Glenn Larson to come up with a new series. He already had a pilot episode in mind. So yeah, talking car, why not? Let's do a talking car show, he said. So there we go. That's that. Yeah, already had a car in mind, obviously, as well. They kept the same people from the pilot. A lot of time pilots change around the crew, cast rather. But no, the first season, 21 episodes in it. It's quite a lot for a first season. Cool. I'm working my way through watching these very slowly. So yeah. Night of the Phoenix, opening chapter of the first season of Knight Rider. Great ratings, apparently. Obviously, the car changed. I don't remember it ever being convertible. Don't know. That must have just been for promotional shots. Yeah, I mean, in theory, the back bit might come off. I'm not sure. I don't think it actually does. Right, the building part. This is the episode and the issue that I've really been waiting for. Not only because it's the next one to do and I've been held up until I actually got this one. It's the one with the flashy lights, the scanner bar. So yes, when we get to that, I'll be putting the steering wheel bit together. Then we're fitting the lights and putting batteries in it and things and making sure it goes woo, 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 woo. And yeah, all interesting stuff going on very shortly with that. But first of all, we'll look through the rest of the book. The Knight Industries Secret Files. Just stuff about Knight Industries, because it's Knight Industries 2000 technology. There we go. Other projects, car and the Foundation, obviously. Satellite surveillance program, independent police program. I don't remember any of those things, but they obviously use some. Yeah, the mobile operations center. Obviously, we know about that. So yes, there we go. Knight Industries logos. The different logos during the original series. I do notice in watching back that sometimes the steering wheel is different. It's got bits written on it or not written on it, depending on the shot, and indeed the distance through the season that we are. So I shall clear the bench. I'll get the parts ready, and we'll get the scanner bar built. Okay, before we get into the build now, we've got some parts from the build before. Obviously, remember this. We built this way back when. It's got half the lights in it, but we haven't got the other half yet. We've got to put the steering wheel together with some GM screws, which weren't supplied this time, but I don't know why we didn't put this together last time. I don't know. So we've got the little logo, which goes in the correct way up. Just like that. That goes on the back and is held in place with 2 of these GM screws, which I had kept safe from last time, or a time before. I don't remember exactly when. It was a while back now. So yeah, that's just going through there and holding that in place. Obviously, it's got to go the right way around. You'll know which way around it goes because it only goes one way around. Like that. With the 2 screws. Holding it together. One in to hold it in place, and then the other one to tighten it all up and make sure it's all secure. Now, the batteries are not supplied with the kit, as you would imagine. Batteries not included. So I've got some batteries ready to go. 4 of the AA size batteries, I believe. I didn't actually check. No, they're going to be AAA size batteries. I have to find some more batteries for that. didn't read the instructions. I just looked at it in the packet and thought it even says it on there. Look, you can see AAA size batteries. So I shall pause the video momentarily when I get to that part and track down some AAA batteries for that. Shouldn't be tricky. I've got some around somewhere. It was me thinking I was being all efficient and up to date, getting all the batteries ready when I really haven't. So that's ready to go in at some point in the future. I don't know why. This part looks like we're not using today. I don't even know what it is. What does it say it is? It says it's the right front chassis. It's sort of a bit of it anyway. So we need the electronic lights, which they're all tiny LEDs on these things now. Not like back when I was a kid. All of these LEDs basically just surface mounted onto here. So we've got a series of 8 LEDs along with a circuit and chip to make it do the flashy stuff. This is being fitted to here using 2 AP screws, which they have supplied this time around. I'm not sure again what that black part of the dashboard again by the looks of it, maybe. Does it say 5B is the scanner inner housing? Oh no, this is going to go behind it. Right, okay. So this that way round, that way round. So the lights are across the top edge of this are obviously going to go and shine through the top edge of that. 2 screws are going through these holes in the middle into those bits there. Nice and easy. Very short screws these. And quite a long slot that you've got. So obviously you can adjust it a bit one way or the other should you need to. So let's just try and get that lined up. Feel like I'm in there. It is bending the circuit a bit, which I think is okay. The board will align with the holes in the base. Do not over tighten the screws. Obviously, everyone knows that the scanner is actually a bit curly. Got a fold in the middle of it. So can't even find the place where that one needs to go at the moment. Definitely there or thereabouts, isn't it? It's a little bit wobbly on there as well. I'm going to take that back off. Make sure that I tightened down that part securely. Which I might not have. That's still got a little bit too much play on there for my liking. So let's tighten these ones down a little bit further. That feels better. I'm happier with that. Then let's get this done again. I've even lined that one up this time. I think I'm doing worse than I was the first time around. That feels better. That's in there. That one looks to be just about there. Looks to be and do appear to be different things. For some reason, I'm having trouble with that side. Let me get a closer look. Can't quite see it. So I'm going to loosen this one off. Move it a bit. Yeah, it looks like it's got to be right over the side of that. So this can actually then get into the middle. That feels better. Strange. I wonder why the hole is so long if the fixing point is so thin. So I'm tightening this down again, not overly tight, just enough to hold it secure and bend it a little bit so it fits in there. It's obviously what these cutouts are for, to give you enough room for it to be a little bit flexible. So that's that. Then the cover goes over the top of it with 2 BP screws. 2 of those out. That's obviously going to give us even more of the curve there. So make sure you get that way round, because the chip's obviously got to come out through there. That screw holes are still going to be accessible afterwards, so you can play around and tighten them all individually to get everything located properly. So let's get these two in. Just want to plug it in. I just want to light it up. I want it to go whoosh whoosh. I know it isn't quite yet, but it will very, very soon. In that one, it's not lining up quite well. That feels better. There we go. It was almost there, but not quite. Get those tightened down a little bit more. Right, now it comes time to put the batteries in. So give me a moment. I shall find some batteries that are going to fit and work. Be right back. Right, I have delved into spares boxes and everything else. I've come up with 4 AAA size batteries. I'll put these away again. I will get a pack properly for it, but I just need to test it. I need to test it. It's got to be done. So to test it, what we are doing is plugging this in to here. It'll only go one way round with any luck. Get it the right way round. That goes in there. A plugs into C, obviously just like it always should. And then we flick the switch, which is just over here. Right, let's have a look and see. Can we? There you go. It's a thing of beauty, isn't it? That is lovely. I do like that. Yeah, you can sort of see it reflected a little bit, as it should. The speed seems about right from memory. I'm quite happy with that. It looks whiter in the picture than it does. It really is. It's just the red. It's lovely. That's the proper colour as it looks through the front when it's not shining directly. I like that. I'm happy with that. I can hear it. I can hear it. My brain's going. It's not going Cylon. It's going Kitt. I like that. So that's that. I shall save my batteries. I'll put these back where I got them from, and I shall get a pack properly for this for normal use. So yeah, store it in a safe place that they remain in perfect condition and don't get lost. Yes, I shall unplug that. I don't know if this is, I assume it's got attaching points, so it's going to be the thing. It's not like a test pack as they do with some of the other parts. So that will be attaching somewhere to the kit. I like it. Very nice. I'm not sure why we did that now, not earlier, and that will obviously be done later. So thank you very much for joining me for this. I know it's been a while, but now the momentum has gathered. I shall be doing the rest of these in rapid succession. So hopefully there will be more coming in just a few days' time, or maybe even sooner, depending on how the backlog goes. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying it. Thank you again for Fanhome for sending me the kit out. And I shall see you with this or other partworks very, very shortly. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.